Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your phone's GPS no longer works. Planes are grounded, apps stop processing transactions, weather forecasts vanish, and the night sky, once dotted with hundreds of moving points of light, is suddenly empty. This is what a world without satellites would look like. Satellites are the invisible backbone of modern life. They guide ships and airplanes, monitor the weather, connect to the internet, and keep time itself synchronized across the globe. But what if, in an instant, they were gone? It wouldn't take an alien invasion, just a massive chain reaction in orbit. If one satellite were destroyed, the debris could slam into others, triggering the Kessler Syndrome, a runaway cascade of collisions that could wipe out decades of space infrastructure. Thousands of pieces of high-speed shrapnel would circle the planet, smashing everything in their path. Within hours, the entire satellite network could be crippled. The effects on Earth would be immediate and brutal. Without GPS, transportation grids would grind to a halt. Cargo ships would lose their routes, airplanes would be forced to land, and self-driving cars would become useless. Without communication satellites, global financial transactions could fail. Stock markets could freeze. Without weather satellites, storms and hurricanes would hit without warning, causing massive loss of life. Even daily conveniences we take for granted, checking the weather on your phone, navigating with Google Maps, or streaming from a different continent, would vanish overnight. Militaries would lose the ability to coordinate global operations. Search and rescue missions would be slower. Disaster response times would stretch from hours to days. And this isn't just a far-off hypothetical. Anti-satellite missile tests have already created dangerous debris in orbit. A major conflict in space, a large-scale accident, or even a single poorly timed collision could trigger the chain reaction that takes our sky from a web of life-giving technology to a graveyard of shattered machines. Without satellites, the modern world would feel like it had been thrown back a century, yet with billions more people to feed, move, and protect. The sky would still be beautiful, but it would be silent. No more artificial stars drifting across the darkness. Just the cold emptiness of space and a planet below trying to remember how it ever lived without them.